I'm going to descale. And it will stay stuck forever. I've waited, I think, 3 hours the first time, because I didn't know what it was doing, and it never ever starts again. It just stays like stuck, won't go on. The only way for me to get it going again is I have to pull out the tank and just pull the tank out a little bit and then shove it back in, and it'll go again. They put scratches in it. Oh, the steam's coming up. Always scratches and nicks. And the top, this is what happens when you lift the top up. They made it so that it just just comes off. Like you should be able to like pull on it, like the back one, right? Anyways, that just slips off now. But anyways, yeah, it'll never come back on. And this is what I have to do to get it going again. I just pull it out and then I shove it back in. And I guess it's trying to say that that's the full tank that I went through, but it's not. There's still the water levels right there. And then it'll continue.